Yo. What's good, YouTube gang? You already know what time it is. It's your boy Jambisco back with another banger. You already know what time it is. Yeah, man, people. Your friend you see from the title we are dealing with today. We're back with another one. Yeah, man. Yeah, I like this love and support that's going on with the channel. You don't know. We're gonna keep going. We're gonna keep on improving. You know, and we ain't stopping. But yeah, man. You see from the title we are dealing with today. Yeah, man. We got another banger. Hopefully, from an artist, one of the hottest dancehall artists of right now. Yeah, we can't say that. Yeah, man. Right about who? Skillibeng. Yeah, man. In Choppa, tune name 16CHOPPA featuring Nardo Wick. Not too familiar with Nardo Wick like that. You see me? Yeah, man. But I think he's a rapper. You see me? And Skillibeng just do a feature with him, man. You see me? We're gonna see what I go on, because you don't know. People are say, yo, you know. Skillibeng are one of the biggest, and if not one of the few artists to actually cross over in a very long time from dancehall. You know what I'm saying? You can't say him crossover because he's doing features with rappers. You see me? He did Richie Kid, J Krish, you don't know, Ifivio, freaking French Montana, Nicki Minaj. Now he did the one with Busta the other day. So a lot of people say, you know what I'm saying, is crossover, but we'll check out and see what I go on to and deal with the track and name 16CHOPPA. You see me? We'll check it out and see what I go on. So without what I do, I'll jump right in the track. Man. Yo, all this Florida in a Everglades dog there. Eh? Easy.
Eastside chopper, forehead with the chopper. 16CHOPPA, long
16CHOPPA. Man, easy.
Like waka, put more run out again with the bomber. Head tap splatter, boy face shatter. Lights so we not afraid that then look man I carry a case stronger. We aim pan the one hand. Bust off again like dragon. Pussy face.
Head tap, bust off them head like dragon. You see me,
Chaka, built-in hammer. Boss up, fire chat too much. We not take programming up. We not robot. Shoot up your top up. Boy skin a burn up. Gun miss a blood clot boom and a bubble. Left a hand shit.
Yeah, what you bad girl them with the gun no man. Easy now man. Look at Taliban them man. Easy, said that man. Hey.
War up a belly. With the head skilly. Have a clip them ready. Head a bust like jelly. Dead when me pressing. Use it Benelli. No we use it Benelli. Why they no wicked? Dark and timid. Eastside willing. Cool hard killing.
Clean. Easy now man. Machine everywhere. Panic ground. Panic counter. Panic stove. Easy now man. Yeah man. I said panic fridge top. Be able to sell. You see me? Niggas them we know the chop life go know the thing set. You see me I say? You know have to say 240, it's got 39. Good!
Gun start jigging, blood start spilling, brain start digging. Crime feed the tanker. Shoot up your face with pneumatic right now. Shoot up your face with pneumatic right now. Shoot up your face with pneumatic right now.
Shoot up your face with pneumatic right now. Easy now.
Shoot couple face.
Off your face with the chopper, 16CHOPPA, long like waka. Easy no man.
3, 4, 5 choppers, 6 there, I'm 7 hoes in a room and they all gobble gobble. Try to set me up.
Come in.
Blocker. Oh, I said 7, add 4 more blockers. 50 more.
Oh, I said 7 had 4 more blockers.
For the robbers, 2 for the drive. Many shots did you hit? I never said a whole lot of. Big dog like Clifford, you bitch, I dick up. The gun shoot fast cause it came with a switch up.
Big dog like Clifford, bitch, I dick up. Gun came.
Like Swisher, a J no jigger. The gun to his head, watch his eyes get bigger. Strapped like Tigger, a Tony the Tiger. 2 holes in his neck, but I'm not a vampire.
In a sonata. Ready for the voice skin with a big gun, yeah. Ready for the spray shot now like shower.
Nah, like the visuals mad, you know. You see me? Well, the quality, the visual over thing mad. You see me? Me see why people gravitate to Skillibeng music, and it's very raw, edgy, and kind of grimy. Even though the visual is clean, you know what I'm saying? It's very raw and edgy, like. You know, it seems more authentic than most of these niggas shit, you know what I'm saying? But do you think?
Gun full of power, you know see that drum ya. Me ready to go beat that now like trauma. Brand new key, you know see the color. Back a gun play, you know use current.
It's the beats that Skillibeng go on, bro. It's the beats. While my blows on skirt, DJ in a patois and everything, the beats are damn near hip hop, if not R&B. Listen to the beats, them, like the beat choice, them, you see me? Yeah, man, that's why people that's why Americans gravitate to it. I can see it. I still sound like that trap music. You know what I'm saying? Still sound hip hop. So which came from dancehall. So it's really the roots this nigga bringing back. If y'all really think about it, you know what I'm saying? But hey.
Why that chain, like in a gutter, left a hand shelly, bore up a belly, with the head skelly, have a clip and ready, head a bust like jelly, dead when me press it, use it Benelli, no we use it Benelli, them boy they no wicked, talk and timid, east side billing,
them boy they no wicked, talk and timid, arm to them.
cool hard killing, gunshot jilling, blood.
But isn't mama, yeah, I like you, yeah, I like you. Y'all look good. You feel me, bro? I like. See y'all two right here. You feel me? One with the puff and the one behind her. Yeah. Y'all two right there. Yeah. Ain't gonna say five.
Start spilling, then start good. The crime vehicle tank up. Shoot up your face with dramatic right now. Shoot up your face with dramatic right now. Shoot up your face with
dramatic right
now. Shoot couple feel. East side chopper for head with the chopper. 16 chopper, long like waka. Put more run out again with the hammer. Head tap spatter, wife you shatter. Lights we not afraid that then look man I carry a case stronger. We aim pan the one on. What's off again?
Hey, we not afraid of that man I carry a case stronger. He am with one hand.
Like dragon, pussy face chaka, built-in hammer. When me say blood clot go man.
Yeah man, mad thing man. What you got it? Easy. 16CHOPPA, Skillibeng, Nardo Wick, stand up, not doing a thing. I like the one. The one edgy. You see me can yeah man, I like the one man. You see when the first hear it kinda, you know, it take you a minute to go upon it. But as the song go on you can see a lot of people don't get in because if you don't listen to rap and you know if you don't really know music, you know what I'm saying? And if you don't listen to hip hop and you just dance you see me. But so is Skillibeng though. You see me? The man thing different. You know what I'm saying? The man thing marketable. He got this 19 dancehall feel and look to him while still being modern. You see me with the new style, the man thing and yeah, chop dancehall. You know what I'm saying? 16CHOPPA. You don't know Skillibeng doing thing, Nardo Wick doing thing. Mad video, mad song. You see me? Real dope on edge. That's the one for the one there for the G's. And everybody gonna like that one. You see me? So I just don't know if you know when song of phone. You see me? No one for the gangster them. You see me? No one talk to them. You see me? No for the scammer, the hustlers. You see me? That's what this one for. You see me? The shooters. You see me? Yeah man, big man thing. The one about visual man, Skillibeng, you do your thing. Now the Wick, you do your thing. Yeah man, people know anything about the one in the comment section. You see me? The one fire, the one is a hit or it's a miss. Let me know. You know what I'm saying? Let me know. Drop in the comment section. I'll definitely go show the artist some love and support. You can also Jambisco sing. You see me? Yeah man, and let me know anything in the comment section. Hit that like button, hit the like on my video. You see me? Get this one 50 likes. You already know what time it is. We're coming with bangers, you know, say straight consistent. You don't know Jambisco on TV. You see me, the maddest review reaction is on YouTube. You don't know what I say. Yeah man, people, and stay tuned. You don't know podcasts coming in the Jam podcast, and the links gonna be in the description. Go over there, subscribe to the channel. In the Jam podcast coming, real professional, real dope quality, lit artist interviews every day. You know what I'm saying? Music, entertainment, sports, all that. We're gonna discuss all that on the podcast. Definitely go check it out. You already know what time it is. The boy Jambisco. I was here 19th and smashing up. Panga. Till next time, guys. Take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys.